you guys doing? Hope you guys having a fantastic, blessed day. Back at it again, guys. So I took 3 trades today, guys. One was the Euro USD, the other was the AUD USD, and the third one was NZD to USD. Reason why I took that trade was because I saw from yesterday's FOMC statement, I don't trade the news, guys, so I saw it wasn't holding its gains from the FOMC statement because the dollar fell a little bit, so it was a bit weakened. So I'm going to show you why I took the trade, guys, and how I took it, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, how you guys doing again? So on the previous video I was telling you that we're going to do some charting, and so I wanted to go into CFDs today. Today is really not that much happening today. Yesterday was FOMC. I just want to take you through yesterday's setup of what I've seen yesterday on FOMC. Firstly, I like to look at the dollar first and seeing what's happening, where the trend's going and everything like that. So we're on the daily time frame here, and as you can see, we can see it has, let me just draw that for you guys quickly so you guys can see. So you can see it stopped here, didn't break any support line, any resistance. It bounced back up here, formed a support here, came back down. I found a retracement here, came back up, stopped here. So I drew my technical analysis, and I see it in a kind of short cycle of a bull trend. How should I say it that way? So let's take a measurement price target from this end to this end, and we can see that it hasn't broke. If it had to break this support line here, this resistance, sorry, we're looking at the 94, just a 94 price action mark. So we can see it doing some funny things. So yesterday's FOMC was negative for the dollar. So let me take you in more deeper inside. So let me just take this out for you guys. So here, guys, as you can see, mind the lines, guys. It's my way of looking at the charts, and all these green boxes where my target has been hit. So yeah, obviously, when we're trading, we don't have a one-sided minded bias. We always look at 2 possible outcomes, and always remember, guys, when you're in trading, there's no guarantees. It's just the randomness of the market, and it's always possibilities. So whenever you feel like the market is going in your favor, step out, step away, go outside for a walk or something. Don't take it personally. It's just the way the market is. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, always remember, you can't be right on everyone. So just a quick tip on that one. So as you can see, we can see a small uptrend here for the dollar, small bounce back from the FOMC yesterday's news. Let me take you to the hourly chart. Here you see the nice FOMC here, right here. This was FOMC yesterday, guys. And I didn't check the trade, guys. I forgot about it. I was doing something else, so I totally forgot. I just put on the charts because I just wanted to check what's happening, because I don't trade every single day, obviously. And we can see this nice accumulation phase here to the upside, failing to break the resistance, and then boom, you can see FOMC hit, statement came out, dollar weakened, came back to test this line, this lower, how can we say, lower support candle here. Let me show you guys, if you guys are getting confused. It's this one right here, this one right here, guys. So you see, came exactly here, and you can see the dollar is recovering its losses yesterday. So let's see, guys, what happens. I'm obviously in a trade now, not a big one, just a small one. I'm targeting here. So how many percent? Just 0 point something percent, nothing major. So targeting right about here. I don't always like to take it. We can take it up here, but I'm always targeting here. So let's see what happens, guys. So I see it's recovering slowly but surely. We found resistance here, so we can see possibly an uptrend and the dollar recovering its yesterday's FOMC losses. So let's go on to the sorry about that, guys. Let's go on to the Euro USD. So here we can see some nice recovery here happening. So yeah guys, we can see it broke another support line, one of my support lines, and FOMC, sorry guys, wrong chart. Yeah, FOMC statement right here. I already wrote it down for myself so I don't get confused. So guys, that's it, we can see we had a small bearish trend here forming that I did possibly, I think I took a few trades on that one. I think I took about 3 trades, and I got in somewhere around here and I got in out here, so I didn't catch this big move here because obviously if we look at the EURUSD as a whole trend, we can see it's actually supposed to be an uptrend because we're in a descending trend line here. So we'll have to wait and see guys, because obviously we know where the news and where the markets are performing and CFDs, and it's so highly how can I say this in a good sense, it's so highly it's so flooded with retail traders, hedge funds, banks, institutions, and it's really flooded guys. That's why I always like to say that we should always try and trade crypto, because obviously crypto, there's no banks in it yet, there's no retail investors in it yet, so it's actually a good thing for us to get in early guys, because there's not a lot of manipulations happening in this crypto space. Yes, it's a bit tricky and it's not as easy as we may seem, but it is more easier than trading all these other CFDs or anything else. Trust me on that guys, and we will get into detail about more of crypto in another video, but for now let's just look at what's happening here guys. So we're on a daily, we're looking at a downwards trend happening here, but we go deeper in for short-term bias. We can see the FOMC here right here guys. So you can see it broke that line, failing to test, but I see it is recovering very nice here. So we might see possibly further downside on this. I am in a trade here. I'm looking I'm very small trade guys. So let's look at this. If you were to take a trade from here to here, I swear I'm going to get out. It's just a 0.22% guys. So if we take, what's up guys? So in the earlier clip guys, I showed you some analysis of what the dollar index was going to do. So a quick update on that. Exactly as predicted guys, dollar gained back all its losses from the FOMC. This candle is the FOMC statement, so we can see it broke the resistance, which then became support, and then we see a follow through to the upside, 31%. So that almost gave back all its gains, took back all its gains guys. So that is why we look at EURUSD. So then we go on to the EURUSD. EURUSD is the same as a dollar index. It's like a correlation, very similar movement patterns. So that's why we always look at the dollar index going into USD pairs. Well, I do. That's my opinion. If you guys have any other opinions, leave it down in the comments guys, and I'll check them out. Be sure to check it out. So this is just, so then we move on to the AUD USD. AUD USD. Obviously that did the same. Obviously I just want to take you to nzd. That was my trade. So guys, this was a trade exactly as predicted guys. So reason being is we saw the Euro USD form a very good sell opportunity. So we looked at AUD and NZD USD, and then we took trades on those. And the reason why we take these trades and we look at AUD NZD USD, their movement patterns are a little bit informed in terms of time wise. They are but like slower. So that's why if you miss this Euro USD trade, you can capitalize on AUD USD. So it does move. It's very similar, especially after FOMC statement. So we can see these pairs here The dollar is very strong at the moment. On a short term, immediate short term, the dollar is strong. But if we look at the let's go into the Euro USD, let's look at the 4 hourly. Let's go to the daily first, guys. So if we move our chart all the way here, you can see I had all my targets there. I wasn't really uploading at that time, guys. So if we go on to the 4 hourly, I'll show you. We see an upward movement, guys. Yeah, upward channel. An immediate short term. So that was ascending channel. It was bouncing off there, bounced off here, came here, hit another high at 19897. As you can see, FOMC statement, very bearish for the dollar index. So it was a very big spike. It was a couple good percentages. So as we can see, it didn't last long as the dollar gained back. So in the immediate short term, we see a possible uptrend here. If it comes back down and tests and retest, then makes a support and a follow through, then guys, we can see the euro gaining some traction here. So that's about it, guys, for today. That was the AUD, NZD, and Euro USD and dollar index analysis of mine. And guys, if you have any opinions or anything else, guys, let me know in the comments, guys. I'm sure I'll check them out and we can have some good ideas on this channel and grow together as a community, guys. So stay tuned for the other one. There is going to be some more content. Maybe tomorrow we look at the Bitcoin chart and what's it doing. As you can see, guys, let's just go on it now. Big traction, guys. Look at that. Big traction, guys. So Bitcoin, guys, this is Bitcoin. I'm gonna leave this for another chart for another time, guys. You can see the percentage here was really good. We can see it gained 30% from, if you look at a daily, look at a daily, guys. From here, let me just draw this for you to show you a quick teaser of what we're gonna do. So that's it, 25%, guys, retracement. We are in a bull cycle, guys. Just remember, more updates coming soon, guys. This is for another video, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for liking the video. Appreciate it, guys. Don't forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, guys, and let's grow together, guys. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.